Hey, ding, 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 ding. This is Vinnie Nine Knuckles Fiorucci stock market analysis and life lessons for men. I'm gonna teach you how to be a man again in this world full of pussies, okay? Today we're gonna be talking about stock market and Tesla. We're gonna take a quick look at the Tesla chart, see what we see, and this is financial advice. You listen to me, capiche, and you'll make some money, okay? You listen, you forget all those other guys. Listen to me, they're a bunch of Veluchas. Let's look at this chart. Oh, this chart's going up and down like Tony's sister's pants. Oh, she was a cute little thing, though. I remember her. She was nice. Oh, yeah, there you go. Right there. But yeah, this chart's not looking good. You got the lines crossing, you got the red lines, you got the blue lines. There's so much red on this chart, it's redder than a Tampax, if you know what I mean. This is not a good looking chart at all. And it's going down. I can tell you this right now. Let's just take a look at an indicator. Take a look at my lower indicator on the right side. I can feel a definite positive divergence forming right here, and it's creating definite positive impressions. Something's definitely firming up, I can tell you that right now. But that doesn't change this chart. This chart does not look good. It's going down, and I mean down tomorrow. There may be a gap fill, but not the good. It's not going to be a gap in gabagoo. It's not going to be the good kind of gap fill. And trust me, I've filled some nice gaps, so I know what I'm talking about here. This is going to be a gap in crap, or a gap in get the fuck out of here right tomorrow. So you're going to go up for a little bit, and then Tesla's going to go down. So you take my word on that. Some guys like to use technicals. Some analysts like to use fundamentals. I like to use knuckles. And that's how I get my information. I get good information. I got guys. I got some people. They tell me things. And then I tell those things to you. And then you make money on the stock market. And if you want to throw a little bit of that money my way, that'd be nice. So let's talk a little bit more about Tesla. Let's talk about these cars. These are not good cars. These are cars made by Veluchas for Veluchas. They're not a man's car. They're not a car that you can, drive around town in with any self-respect. They're not a kind of car you can put your crew in the back. Well, could you even? No, that's not a car. You roll up, to something in this car, and people are gonna think you're a Veluch, a classic Veluch. Well, just take a look at it here. This is not a good-looking car. This is not a man's car. You'd be lucky. How many bodies do you think you could fit in the trunk of this car? You could maybe fit one body, and I'm not talking no 200-pound Goomba in the back. I'm talking one body in the trunk. Maybe if you're lucky, you fit one little skinny millennial in the back, and that's not even including his MacBook. So that's not a car for men. You want to see a car for a man? I'll show you a car for men. Take a look at this. Here you go. Here's a nice car for you guys to get. Take a look at this car. 1930 Pontiac, if I'm not mistaken. This is a car you fit not one, not two, not three bodies in. You fit three bodies in the back, maybe four bodies in the back. That is a car. You roll up with the car like that with your crew, and they start running for cover because they know what's coming. They know what's coming. That's a man's car right there. That car means business. You can do business in a car like that. A Tesla, you can't do any kind of business. No woman, self-respecting woman's gonna get in a car with a guy with a car like that. Only Veluch could maybe pick up another Veluch with a car like that, but no self-respecting woman's gonna get in a Tesla like that. But the Pontiac woman hears the name Pontiac, she gets a little bit wet, and that's the truth. That's been that's the life I've lived, and that's the life I want you to live. I want you to be a man and get a car like that Pontiac, and you'll be happy. So as for the stock market, it's going down. I'll repeat it again. Don't be a putz. Get some puts tomorrow, and you can make some money, and then come back and pay a little bit of rent, and you tell them that Vinnie was right. Vinnie knew what's happening in the stock market. We don't know exactly how Vinnie does it, but he knew on Sunday that the stock market was going to gap up and then come back down on Monday. So there you go. Stock market analysis.
He's gonna have a birthday. So we baked you a little cake.
My birthday? Why, it ain't for another 4 months.
So a little early. So what's a few months between friends? All right, boys, now all together. For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, which nobody can deny, which nobody can deny, which nobody can deny. For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, which nobody can deny.